If you happen to see my recent video in which I applied for the Chase Sapphire Preferred, well, I did end up getting approved for this credit card, and I just got a package in the mail from Chase with my Chase Sapphire Preferred card. So in this video, I'm going to quickly discuss some of the reasons that I applied for the Chase Sapphire Preferred in the first place, and then I'll unbox this package and take a look at that new Chase Sapphire Preferred card. And finally, I'll discuss the ways that I'll be using the Chase Sapphire Preferred card going forward. So as always, we're gonna jump right into the video, so make sure to hit that like button and subscribe down below, as it helps support the channel and I would really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So really quick, I've already explained this in some other videos, but for those of you who don't know, I wanted to first discuss why I decided to get the Chase Sapphire Preferred in the first place. First, I already have the Chase Freedom Flex and the Chase Freedom Unlimited, which are two no annual fee credit cards within the Chase ecosystem. But unfortunately, neither of those credit cards allow you to transfer your points out to Chase's travel partners. And so my only option with the points and the welcome bonuses that I've earned on those credit cards is to simply redeem the points for cash back. However, as a credit card enthusiast, my goal is always to get the best possible redemption rates for the points that I earn, and redeeming my points for straight cash back is never going to accomplish that goal. But if I were able to get the Chase Sapphire Preferred, then I could actually transfer all of my points that I earned on the Chase Freedom Flex and the Chase Freedom Unlimited up to the Chase Sapphire Preferred, and then have the option to transfer out those points to Chase's travel partners. And I do have some future trips that I am planning that I would love to be able to use some of my Chase credit card points for, so it's gonna be super valuable to be able to have this perk of transferring out my points to Chase's travel partners, getting a high redemption value, and then funding some of those trips with credit card points. But yeah, now that I've given you that super quick overview, let's get into unboxing and showing off this new credit card. All right, so if we get right into the unboxing, this is the envelope that Chase sent me. Pretty standard envelope. I did have to cheat a little bit. As you can see, I had to tear it open so I could cover up some of that personal information. But without further ado, we're just gonna break right into the contents of this package. So, one by one, this is the first thing that Chase sent, which is just going to be some information about the card. So obviously I had to cover up my personal information, such as the credit number on this, but the 8,400 is going to be the credit limit, as you can see right there. And then this also contains the actual card, which I'll show in a second. But first, at the bottom, it has some of the benefits that are contained within the Chase Sapphire Preferred. So you get the $50 hotel credit, the 5x on travel booked through the Chase portal, the 25% higher redemption value, and then things like the 3x back on online groceries and select streaming services, and then the 3x back on dining. But without further ado, I'm going to take out the Chase Sapphire Preferred. It's definitely a lot more premium feeling than some of my other credit cards, so like the Chase Freedom Flex or any of the no annual fee credit cards that I have. And I already really like the design of it. So we're just going to do a quick drop test. I'm going to start it pretty low, and then we'll go up higher just to test, the drop test of it. All right, now I'm going to go up a little bit higher. And even higher. All right, so that's a quick drop test of it. As far as the other contents that are contained within this, there's some boring stuff, so, like the card member agreement and things like that. But what I'm really going to get into here is going to be the rewards package that they also provide. They kind of just describe some of the things and benefits that you'll get with the Chase Sapphire Preferred. So the first page, it's going to be a cool looking Northern Lights thing. So like a Norway type deal with the travel there with the Northern Lights, maybe Canada, something like that. But as far as the rewards, they kind of detail some of the things you'll get. So starting with the $50 hotel credit, the 5x on travel. I talked about this a little bit already, but the dining, the 1x on all purchases, 25% higher redemption value. We just go to the next page, something like Moab, Utah, or a nice, cool picture, definitely, we got going on there. And then also some travel protections that are listed, the no foreign transaction fees. Probably most importantly, why I got this card in the first place is going to be the one-to-one point transfer with Chase's travel partners, and then as well as the anniversary points boost and things like that as well. Beyond that, just going to be some fine print on exactly what's contained within this card. But other than that, that's the main things. I'll just show off this card one more time. Looking pretty slick there, the Chase Sapphire Preferred. And so yeah, that'll be the quick unboxing, and I'll get into how I'm going to be using this card going forward in a second. Now that I've given you a look at my new Chase Sapphire Preferred card, I wanted to discuss how I plan on using this credit card in the near future. First, I'm going to be using the Chase Sapphire Preferred pretty extensively over the next 3 months, especially for some larger expenses that I have coming up. due to the fact that I need to hit that $4,000 in spending that I must spend in order to get the welcome bonus on this credit card. Next, I can use my Chase Sapphire Preferred pretty interchangeably with my Chase Freedom Flex and Chase Freedom Unlimited for that dining category because I'm going to get 3x back on all 3 of those credit cards. I'll use my Chase Sapphire Preferred for streaming services such as Spotify, as I'll get 3x back on select streaming services with my Chase Sapphire Preferred. And then I'll use my Chase Sapphire Preferred if I have purchases that fall into that other travel category, such as booking an Airbnb, as I'll get 2x back on all purchases in the other travel category with the Chase Sapphire Preferred. And then when it is available to me, I'll make sure to use that $50 hotel credit so I can lower my effective fee down from $95 to just $45. Ultimately, I'm actually not going to be using the Chase Sapphire Preferred all that much, especially when I'm able to lock in the welcome bonus on this credit card. And instead, the main reason that I have the Chase Sapphire Preferred is for the redemption value upside that the card provides. But yeah, if you are someone that is interested in Chase credit cards, then check out the 2 videos that I'll put up on the screen right now. And thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day and peace.